Hey there, it's Kelly Donahue Piro, your favorite industry best friend. Well, I'm here to let you know that you've done something great for your agency by joining and listening in on our podcast or watching our YouTube channel. I just want to remind everybody that we're here to help. So if you need anything, drop a comment, go to our website, hang out with our chat, or just contact us. There's a problem in your agency, I got solutions, right? I like to think of it, you got a problem, I'll solve it. But let's get into the content today so that you can improve your awareness and knowledge of solutions that exist to the agency's core challenges.
And you may have self-service options. So giving the customer the tools that they can use to empower themselves to get that quick gratification is also helpful. Hello. I'm Gina. I'm a performance partner here with APP. And today I'm going to take a few minutes to talk to you about competitor challenges that independent agents are facing compared to direct carriers. There's a couple different topics that stand out to me, and I wanted to hone in on those and go over them today. I'll get started. The first one that stands out to me is the pricing pressure that the consumer almost puts on an independent agent. I think our average consumers tend to think that an independent agent is going to be more expensive. It's harder to compete on price alone, and they may think that you're just going to raise their coverages so you make a higher commission, and they don't really see the increased need to justify the value beyond pricing. And the best way to combat this is to use our licenses, use our education and knowledge to explain to the customer why they need certain coverages, why it relates to their lifestyle, and the benefits of having a strongly built policy. Additionally, go through the benefits of why it's important to have an independent agent. And those pieces also will relate to the second topic I wanted to go over, which is the convenience and digital experience. When somebody can go online and get a quote instantly or make a quick policy change themselves, they're used to having that quick gratification. And then when they call an independent agent, it just may take a little bit of time. And that's okay. Again, educating your client on why working with you and having that connection built with an agent who knows them and their families and can build rapport with them time and time again is something that can combat it. And you may have self-service options. So giving the customer the tools that they can use to empower themselves to get that quick gratification is also helpful. I think additionally, to hone in on our first call resolution skills shows our clients that we can have efficient and effective calls that give us a chance to account round and identify missing lines that are ultimately beneficial to our client. The last one I wanted to go over is probably one that you will all recognize, and that's the strong brand recognition and advertising. So I don't know about you, but when I had an insurance agency, I didn't have $1 billion marketing budget. So I wasn't sponsoring the Super Bowl or having flashy ads for the whole nation to see. And that's okay. We're not really ever going to be able to compete on that level that a direct carrier can. But what we can do is compete in our own small communities, towns, states, however, and use the resources that you have available to do that. You can find volunteer programs, community involvement, and you can even work on building up your own centers of influence in your community to generate referrals and get your name out there as recognition. So I think that using what you have is always going to be your best option. I appreciate you guys taking some time today to listen to what I have to say and learn more about the competition challenges faced by independent agents compared to direct carriers. Thank you again. Tune in anytime. APP has lots of great resources for you, and I'll see you soon.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It is so fun giving you guys tips and tricks every single, week out there. Remember, you can find us on social media for updates. You can like or comment on this podcast or video, and we're here for you. And check out our website. There's a ton of tools. We have over 1,000 blogs on our website. We have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. You can search and find answers to your top questions. But also, if you need a little bit more help, you want a best friend that's there cheerleading for you, giving you the guidance that you need, and being there on some of those tough days, let us know. We'd love to meet your agency and learn if we're a good fit. All right, signing off. Go sell insurance.